Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new and find this video useful, then I will suggest you to subscribe me because I am in the desperate need of it. Now you can see this link here. I have already given the link in the description box. Just go there and go to the website or copy it and search it on the Google. Now after going to the website, you just have to do is to scroll down till you find the Windows tab. Okay, scroll down. Now you can see this Windows tab. Under the Windows tab you can see this link highlighted in blue. Click on it and your download will start. I have already downloaded it, so I am going to cancel it. Now after downloading it, you just have to extract it anywhere you want, any drive, any folder you want. It doesn't matter where you extract it. I have already extracted it, so I am not going to extract it. This is how the extracted files will look like. And now pick up your phone. If you have unlocked the developer options on your phone, then enable the USB debugging. If you haven't enabled the developer option, then enable it first and then USB debugging. And after that, connect your phone to your PC or laptop using a USB cable. After connecting, it will ask you to allow it. So allow, and now open this application and you can see your phone screen on your PC, and you can use it for playing games and watching movies. But remember, it doesn't support any OTT platforms like Disney Hotstar or Netflix or Prime. You can also use your mouse to operate your phone screen on the PC, and the keyboard doesn't support, so it's just your mouse. I'm going to show you a demo. I can close these ads by clicking on the cross using my mouse. You can see. So guys, if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please support me guys, help me grow, and I will meet you in the next video. Have a good day.